So tonight we're going out to Filmworkz. Ricky runs that shop. It's a vinyl wrap studio. They've been doing that for years and years and years. He's very well known within his industry for doing really quality stuff. I'm hoping to see a couple hundred cars out here tonight, and I'm sure we'll see that. So let's tune into that. Up to people. I'm gonna ask them for 3 simple rules of car meets, and if they get it right, I'll give them my little custom cut pin by Unhinged Labs. Do custom little fixtures and hood props, and obviously pins. Can you tell me 3 simple rules to abide by when you're at car meets?
No burnouts, no revving, don't be a dickhead.
That's good. That's good. Get a little pin.
Oh, sick.
Can you give me 3 rules you should follow at a car meet?
3 rules?
Yeah, 3
No
rules.
burnouts, no revving, respect the law. Respect the law.
Can you give me 3 simple rules to live by when you come to car meets?
No rev. No two-step. That's revving. No donuts.
It's a little different.
Anything else?
Respect the lot. Don't litter.
Oh, good answers. There you go. There's a little
Fuck
pin
yeah.
for you.
Oh, this is hard.
First time coming out?
Yep.
Cool. Welcome. Michael, I do the car meets, man.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Can you answer me 3 simple rules to live by when you come to car meets? Any good ideas?
Don't burn out. Don't rev it. Pick up trash.
Yeah, good job, dude. Here's a little pin. Welcome to the meets, man.
Thanks.
Don't tell them our secrets.
Fucking envious of this fucking car. Fucking.
That one's 4.
And this one's 4. We're like busted buddies. Then I got home, and there was mail waiting for me from TunerCult. Sick. I was rocking a Cusco one for a long time, but it covered up the bottom of my license plate letters, and so I got pulled over for, what is it? Obstruction. Yeah, something awesome. So that was cool. And they had their contest tickets for an S2000 right now, so I decided to get some entries and at the same time get a little shirt. This reminds me of like some tattoo flash, so I went ahead and got me a nice shirt. Let me lay it out somewhere else. What did you do? Why do you have that face? Yo, if you guys want to enter, go ahead and use VTech2000 for 10% off your next order. There we go. That's a little bit better, huh? Perfect.